What's going on, guys? Dogecoin is about to go on a massive rally. I have to show you something on a daily time frame for Dogecoin. But before I do that, I want to talk about Tesla because Elon Musk talks about Dogecoin. Elon Musk is Dogecoin. Come on, let's think about it. And also, Tesla is up 5% on the day, trading at 459. Absolutely insane. Guys, if you want to lock in for 2025 and you want to understand how we start to find these stocks and cryptos when they're way undervalued. Like back in October, when I said market not happy with Tesla, but that's okay. I bought under $200, alerted you guys. I bought again at 226, alerted you guys the reasons why. And I will buy again if we get to 234, 235. Guys, I made a bunch of Tesla updates in October and November. You can see right here. Again, I talk about price targets. Again, right here. I mean, this is actually the most important one, which was right here. Okay, so recently I bought a ton at 226, November 15th. I then started selling some above 350. I alerted in the Discord chat the day I sold. I recently bought more today. My price target minimum 400 to 417 next fib levels. So when I bought again after selling for a profit, it was at 317. So we bought at 200 and 226. We then sold above 350. We then bought more again at 317, increased our overall share count. And now Tesla's at 259. And we've been slowly taking profits and moving it into another stock that Patreon members are very aware about it, making a lot of updates the last couple of days. And I'm thinking that stock can now double. This is what we do. We find stocks in crypto that we think can at least double. We look at the technicals, we look at the charts, and then we start to buy. If you guys want access to this and want to start to learn more for 2025, you can literally lock into my stock tier for $12 a month. Prices are going up at the end of December. Appreciate all members that allow me to do work like this for you every single day. Now, looking at Dogecoin, I want to make things very clear for you guys. We are trading super close to the EMAs. Very bullish sign. Okay. We also are still in an uptrend. You can see these wicks, uptrend, bullish sign. You can see we're also making higher highs. All these wicks right here are higher than the last point, right? So we're in an uptrend. You could even say that this is kind of like a bull flag. It's a sloppy bull flag, but if you take these two lines, this is like the pole, this is the flag. But I do like that we're in an uptrend and we're trading super tight to the EMAs. Okay, this thing is about to move higher, in my own opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, you can also see, let's see if there's any positive divergence on a daily time frame. So that RSI is kind of lower. This wouldn't really be positive divergence. We could check on the 4-hour in a second. But I do like that the stochastic has been bottoming out for a very long time, and this thing is ready to pop very soon. The MACD also is curling. You see this U shape that it's making right here, the white line. So this is a lagging indicator. Usually when this pops off, Dogecoin and other cryptos pop off. You could see before when the white line, like a U shape right here, and then it crosses over, Dogecoin goes on a rally. Again, right here, Dogecoin goes on a rally. Well, Dogecoin hasn't really gone on a rally in a while, and I still feel very bullish on Dogecoin that the top is not in. So this is kind of just what I'm looking for right now. Now, if we look at a 4-hour, let's see if any positive divergence is forming, because that will even tell us that this could be bullish in the next several days. So what is positive divergence? It's when the crypto makes lower lows, but the RSI makes higher lows. Okay, so let's make this a little bigger. All right, so let's see. So we have so this could technically be a little bit of positive divergence right here. You can see these candles are actually lining up right here, holding as very strong support. So if we took a trend line from this point to this point, we can obviously see that the RSI is higher right here than right here, right? But we can see that the candle close, actually this would be positive divergence. This candle close is higher than this candle close. This candle closed lower. So on a 4-hour time frame, this is actually looking very good for Dogecoin. Right now, Dogecoin's trading right under 4.1, just above 40 cents, right below 41 cents. You can also see on a 4-hour breaking back above the EMAs, very good sign. But again, on the daily, this is what I like to see, that we're trading super close to the EMAs. And we have our next leg up. We have certain price targets that have been shared with the Discord. Again, guys, if you want access, the link is down below. Lock in on this stuff. I promise you it will change your life forever. But yeah, there's not much more to update for Dogecoin. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video of the technicals and really where I'm at. But I'm liking it. And it's still, I think it's a top, let me see if it's a top 5 holding of mine. So yeah, Dogecoin is actually top 4 holding of mine, right? So it's the 4th largest holding that I have in my portfolio, and I'm waiting for the next leg up. And then I'll probably trade out of it and look for other things. You also want to see the negative divergence that is formed right here on a daily time frame. So we could have another pump. And then if another one forms, then I would probably look to take massive profit. We really want this RSI to get above this to get rid of all this negative divergence right here. If this RSI, which is trading at 53 right now, can get above 71, that'd be really bullish for the long term for Dogecoin. If for whatever reason this moves higher, then I would even say 48, which 48 and some change, which is the all-time high of recently this year. So if it moves higher and this stays below this, that would be bearish. That wouldn't be good. It would be kind of like all of these setups right here. Okay, so that's really what we're looking for. That's pretty much it. Again, guys, this is just my own opinion. Drop a like if you got any value. Leave a comment. Let me know how you're feeling about Dogecoin. I know there's a lot of people out there that think we're going to go to like $3, $4. Potentially, maybe, but we need to just see what happens from here. I like to think more short term within the next 30 to 60 days. Really, what's the reality of us hitting this certain price? That's what we talk about on this channel. So if you appreciate that, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next.